My nickname, people call me botak. Because I botak since 1994. I don't need shampoo. I don't need barber. So I save some money in my pocket. This year I'm 67 years old. I've been running about 43 years in the SIM drive market. My family, number 1 to number 8 are all boys. During the time, the 60s, my dad is a laborer. To put the food on the table for 8 of them, with his pay, I don't think is sufficient. So my dad do the street hawking. He tell me everything. He taught me everything. The mee rebus, mee soto, lontong, mee goreng, even rendang, everything was taught by my parents. Just everything inside there lah. Hopefully I don't delete that. Strictly, I do my cooking when at the age of 40 when I took over the shop. Because of my late mother, she's already getting older. She's not so-called like fit enough to do the cooking. So I took over. She remind me, bear in mind, you are selling at the shop where your rental is very cheap. And your customers, most of them are working class. They don't throw money. So they earn some, you earn some. My customer, you should increase. I said, I don't have the heart. I don't have the heart, honestly. I feel like my mother was whispering me yesterday. When my wife passed away, I do it alone. I go solo. In life also solo. I don't believe in instant. My serunding, my bergedel, all are homemade. When I do my serunding, all this on the slow fire. By doing other thing, slow fire, every 5 minutes, 3 minutes, you keep on stir. About my serunding, almost about 2 hours. 2 hours. Start at 1 o'clock in the morning. By 5 o'clock, it's ready. Okay, this is Hanifa. I call her Intan nickname. I know her since think 60s
我是从小已经认识他了。这个家庭呢是我爸爸妈妈他们介绍给我的。I call him Abang. All are Abang. My favorite is satay.
No more lah.
Well, so for Hari Raya, for any other festival, if I want to eat satay, we go there, the father will prepare satay. So now when we come, we don't have satay. But remember, they can still cook it if you order, and it's still authentic.
Actually, there's no secret. For me, there's no secret. For me, because cooking, you must have an open heart. Be sincere to yourself, and you happy. So for me, I happy. My passion to work, to do. Especially when I see people, they eat, they finish my food, I'm happy. A few customers work in Marsiling, live in Teluk Branga, breakfast here. They thought the price is good. If my price $2.50, your food no good, they will never come here. I will pass it to my younger son, but I give him a 1 year probation. So because why cooking, some people they cook, they just not happy. I don't like people see they eat and they cannot finish the food. It's a waste. And for me, it's a sin also. I want him to do it the same thing as what I'm doing. It's what the late grandparents taught me. I bring it down to him. So because why? I explained to him, 11 of my siblings, myself, my brother, my sisters, all, their education money all come from here. So I want him to take over. Yeah, my advice is so-called like no life. No life. But he's married with 3 kids, what life he want? Life in hawker is very tough. But if you know how to manage it, maybe the young guy, they got a fresh idea. But the recipe still the same. Okay, Ahmad Faisal bin Muhammad Kamsari, I'll pass it to you. But I don't want you to change the recipe. You follow the recipe from the late grandparents and my recipe. If you change, I will sack you. No compromise. My name is Muhammad Kamsari bin Mungin. I'm 67 this year. I've been running the store for the past 40 over years, and my nickname, most of the customer call me Botak.